If you're a gamer, you know the siren song of free in-game currency. It's a powerful thing.
Mm-hmm.
For the millions playing Roblox, that song is all about Robux. So when a site like Bloxdrop.com pops up, calling itself the #1 Roblox rewards platform,
You have to look into
you
it.
have to take a deep dive.
That's right. Our mission today is pretty simple, really. We're going to look past the hype, past the big promises.
Yeah.
We need to break down how it works and, more importantly, what the hidden risks are to figure out what's really going on here.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. How do they claim this all works? Because free Robux, there's always a catch.
There's always a catch. It's the classic reward site blueprint. You sign up, usually with an email or a social account.
Simple enough.
And then your goal is to earn these virtual coins. You get them by doing, well, pretty tedious stuff.
Like what? Surveys?
Surveys, watching ads, playing little mini games, completing offers from other companies, that kind of thing.
So the coins are the intermediary currency. What do you do with them once you have them?
This is where it gets interesting. You spend them on mystery packs.
Ah, so it's a loot box mechanic.
Exactly. These packs supposedly have Robux or items inside, but it's all based on rarity and chance. It's basically a lottery.
So the reward is never actually guaranteed.
Never. It's only promised. Which immediately raises some red flags, but they do try hard to build trust.
How so? What are they advertising?
Well, they talk about fast withdrawals, 204/7 support, and they are very, very careful about one detail.
What's that?
They say over and over again they will never ask for your Roblox password. They even have a note saying they aren't connected to Roblox Core at all.
I mean, not asking for a password is the bare minimum, right?
It is, but if they're so focused on trust, it makes you wonder why the language they use is so over the top.
You mean the 100% legit and win big stuff?
Exactly. Instant payouts, it's all very loud, very high assurance.
And what does the source material show? Does the evidence back up these loud claims?
That's the thing. It doesn't. There's a real lack of clear proof that players are consistently getting the Robux they supposedly win.
And we can see that doubt reflected in the platform's own chat, can't we?
Oh, absolutely. The chat is probably the most revealing part. It's nonstop spam.
Spam for what?
Referral codes,
Yeah.
invite links. It's not people celebrating their big wins.
Yeah.
It's user after user just begging other people to sign up using their link.
Which suggests the real business model is user acquisition, not giving out rewards.
It heavily suggests that, yeah, it's about traffic and data. Which brings us back to those third-party offers.
It's all for walls, right?
Yeah.
That's where you're doing the surveys and watching the ads.
Precisely. And that's where the risk really escalates. Those third parties can just deny you the credit. They can fail to track what you did.
So you spend an hour on a survey and get nothing.
You get nothing. And worse, some of them might require personal information, which is a huge privacy risk the source material warns everyone to avoid.
It's just a whole ecosystem of uncertainty then.
It is. And you see it in the users themselves. The chat is full of people constantly asking, is this real? Or did anyone actually get paid?
I mean, even the people using it aren't sure if it works.
That's the takeaway. There's this pervasive doubt, even as they keep spending their coins on the mystery packs.
So when we put all the evidence together, the referral model, the gambling mechanic, the data risks, what's the bottom line for you, the listener?
Well, the sources suggest it's not necessarily an outright scam in the traditional sense, but it's an exploitative model. It prioritizes collecting your time and your data over actually delivering on its main promise. Caution is, it's essential.
Right.
And I think the broader lesson here is to just think critically. Any platform that offers you something that valuable for basically nothing,
There's a hidden cost.
there are almost always strings attached. And before you dive in, you really have to ask yourself, what is the real price of free and who is actually benefiting from this exchange?